So arrived at the airport. Now just try to find the right terminal and then look for a sleeping place, and yeah. So good morning. Now just waiting for check-in. Set the check-in open for my flight. I slept really good, pretty a lot.
I hear thunder, I hear lightning, I hear wonders, and everybody wanna go, but no one really cares to know.
It was my 20th flight on this trip. Now I'm just going from the domestic terminal to the international terminal. It's not far. And yeah, then let's see if I can check in already. I have now around 5 hours left until my flight to Singapore. I arrived in Singapore at the airport. I have to go all the way back to the other end via SkyTrain. I have 5 hours left, so I have no rush. I'm a little bit bored. Before I came with the Skyrail, and on the same distance there is the I don't know how this is called. It's the whole way, so I want to see how long does it take for one way.
'Cause we got all the time we need. If we're in love, then we'll succeed. I heard laughter, I heard music.
Oh, the first part is over. It was 1 minute. So next one.
There's no way we could ever break or lose it.
So, finished. Turn around. 9.5 minutes for one way, because the travelator is 9.5 minutes. Really interesting. That is when you have too much time on an airport and you get bored. That happens. But yeah, whatever. So, arrived in South Korea. Now going through the immigration. I got here some stuff where everything is in there, and they have a plan, a map, and all that stuff. I'm super excited. The guys, they're really friendly and really happy because everybody want to take pictures because I'm going to the Paralympics, so it's really fun. Now I found out that the next train will go at 10:36, so I will arrive at 1:30. So I will definitely miss the game. Wow, it's damn it. But it's ice hockey. I'm not an ice hockey fan, but still I was really excited to see it, and I paid for it. And now this stuff is so annoying. Alright, so I'm in Gangneung, or I don't know how they call it. It's the town where the ice hockey is, which is right now, but almost over. And now just going to my hostel and then having a shower finally, because last time it was Christchurch 3 days ago almost. Now I'm going in the city hall. There's the main base of the Coast Sports where I bought my ticket. Went back in the hostel, put on long pants, hoodie, jacket, because it's freezing, the sun is not here, and it starts, I think, raining. Now going to the first event, it's curling. I really love curling, I don't know why, but I really love curling. I'm here. I still cannot believe it. I'm here at my first Olympic Games. Oh, I cannot believe it. It's amazing. It's so cool. Since I'm a little boy, I have to dream to go there one time in my life. And now finally I got it. This year is so crazy. This travel year is so crazy. Oh, I still cannot believe it. It's crazy.
United States of America versus Slovakia. 미국과 슬로바키아.
这些会比血气打轻微多了，死气打完坐那等着看别人脸色，能不能进去？反正今天让央五，说今天一天学生想溜达吸雪片。
First Olympian experience was really cool. The bad thing was America lost, so yeah. But it was a nice experience. So excited of tomorrow. So today is snowboard day 2, the Paralympic snowboard. And so I went with the train to Chingbu and now with the bus to Alpine Center.
More, but I think we need to look down somewhere for the third member of our team. Where's he at? Speed together. Here we go. Gonna point it across the finish line. Noah Elliott. He's gonna do it right there. Noah Elliott, number 1. USA number 1. USA.
내가 거미 선수의 기록 아주 근접한 기록이 나왔습니다. 약간 차지긴 하지만 아주 근접한 기록입니다. 피니시.
Miner is gonna come away with the gold medal today. Patrick Wehrhofer from Austria. Simon Patmore will bring silver medalist representing Austria. Austria, Patrick Wehrhofer.
Silver medal for Austria. It was really cool. Silver medal. So now for the guys, now the second round. We are place 5. So let's see. Hopefully gets better. Now I'm at the train station back to Gangneung. At 8 there's an ice hockey game. Yeah, it was really good. Really nice experience. It was really fun, but freezing. It was so freezing. The good thing is the tent, warm tent. This for a crazy experience. First experience about the Paralympics, the first 2 days. Unbelievable. I'm still shaking, I'm still completely crazy. It's so cool, it was so cool. So yeah, so it's the end of the first of 2 Paralympics vlogs. And yeah, I hope you liked it and enjoyed it like everything. I hope I see thumbs up. And yeah, so we see us next time with the 3rd and 4th day. Let's see what I get experienced, and yeah, see ya!